Hey guys, we got this 8-inch mini bolt cutter for test and try. It's a heavy duty wire cable cutter with a heavy duty bolt cutter. So wire snips or the fence clippers with the cable pliers. CRV blade, spring and non-slip grip, crafts and gardens wherever you want to use it. So as you can see, it's a nice grip here. Have a safety lock thing as well, and then the grip handle is comfortable thing. This is around 200 or the 8 inches, and see like the cutting is also very nice. So you see it can easily cut all this plastic and the thick thing so very precisely. So the nice cut, so nice blades, and this the top part is around 2.4 inches where you can easily use, and then the safety grip to easily lock it down. So nice tool and nice mechanical advantage with the labor saving and nice easy cutting. So with a non-slip grip as well. So you can also limit the screws the way you want.